In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Phantom wallet file to Authenticate. This is going to be a quick video. So I'm going to be showing you guys multiple ways on how you can fix this problem. This is a very common problem. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your App Store or Play Store depending on your phone. Now I'm going to open here Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, just open your App Store and search for you want to search for I'm going to click here on, let me just click here, okay, and search here for Phantom. Okay, so if the app requires an update, you just need to click on update. Okay, if you can see here a new update, just update the app to the latest version, and most of the time the problem is going to be resolved. Okay, so if it's not, then what you guys need to do, there is like the second tip here is to go back and reinstall the app. Okay, just right click on the app, or as you can see, and then click on uninstall. Okay, just remove the app completely from your phone, but please remember your password. Okay, so after that you want to remove it and go back to App Store or Play Store and download the app again. Okay, if this method doesn't work, then what you guys need to do, which will work most of the time, just turn off your phone and turn it on again. That's going to solve your problem, just like it did for me. Just like turn it off and turn it on again. Okay, and then the problem is going to be solved. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial, and yeah, see you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.